So in front of me, I do have the latest product from Soundcore. These are the Soundcore Sleep A20 earbuds. I was supposed to be dropping this video on May 20th. It is May 24th right now. I will be working throughout the day and throughout the night to get this published as soon as possible.
Got him! Got him!
Soundcore, I apologize. Please forgive me. So with that being said, people, yes, Soundcore did send these over to me to review. As always, I will keep my opinions unbiased as possible, even though I am a huge fan of Soundcore. So I'm just going to put that out there, but I'm still going to be completely honest with you about this product. What if you could control your sleep environment with a tiny, comfortable device? Insert the Soundcore Sleep A20s. So these Soundcore Sleep A20s offer a revolutionary approach to sleep using advanced technology to create a personalized soundscape that blocks out noise and promotes relaxation. So, you know what? Just stick around. We're gonna talk about this for a second.
Want to see some love? It's love day. I'm showing people love out here on the court.
Before I do go around this box, I just want to let you know that these do go for $150. As always, I'll put the links in the description down below. You can pick them up on the Soundcore website, and I do believe that they do offer some free stuff with that. Hold on, let me show you really quickly. All right, so as you can see right here, if you do pick them up on the Soundcore website, you do get this sleep mask for free. You can also get Soundcore Care for an extra $10, but I'm not going to use that. And then you also obviously can pick them up on Amazon as well. Now they do only come in this one white color right here. I wish they would have came in maybe like a blue, a dark blue color that Soundcore normally uses, or even a black, but for right now they're only available in this white color. Now quickly going around this box on the front side, as you can see, you do have your image of your earbuds right here. It says designed for sleep, fusion comfort, playtime is 14 hours on a single charge, and then 80 hours with the charging case. Now that is with Bluetooth off. If you have Bluetooth turned on, you'll get 10 hours of playtime on a single charge, and then additional 55 hours with the charging case. And I'll show you the difference once I start talking about the app. It says fall asleep faster, sleep longer. On the back side, it says noise blocking design with sound masking, gentle material for night-long comfort, peaceful stream content via Bluetooth, sleep monitoring, and personal alarm. Also, it gives you zero pressure, perfect for side sleepers, soft twin seal ear tips, flexible air wing design, adaptive curved shape wrapped in gentle material. Talks about personal sleep monitor, white noise, find device, which I'll talk to you about in the app, and then also your battery play time on there as well. And that's everything on the outside of the box. So as soon as you open it up, you do have this wearing guide right here on the front side. It gives you step 1, 2, and 3, how to comfortably wear these inside your ears. You flip that up. You also have an installing guide underneath the tab as well. It says, ensure that the air wing is perfectly aligned with the charging point pins to avoid any issues. And so under that flap, as you can see, you do have your earbuds right here. We'll go ahead and put those to the side really quickly because we do have some other stuff inside of this box. You have your literature, and then underneath that, you have all the other items that are inside this box. Damn, okay. So you do get 3 different ear wings. You have a small and a large, and the mediums are already installed. And then you have 1, 2, 3, you have 7 different ear tips. One's already installed on the earbuds. And you also get a USB type A to USB type C charging cable. And just off top, just letting you know, I do not believe that these are able to be wirelessly charged. Let me go ahead and check that out for you really quickly, just to double check. No, you cannot wirelessly charge these earbuds. Going around this charging case, you do have the nice sliding door right here, earbuds right underneath. I want to say it's spring loaded. It's not held closed by a magnet. Either way, it's a nice design. I always like the way that Soundcore does that. You have your USB type C charging port on the back. Right next to that, you have your Bluetooth connection button. You also have your 3 LED indicator lights on the front side. Opening this up, you have your earbuds right here, and they are held in by magnets. So if I turn it upside down and shake the case, they will not fall out. All right, people, so now for the earbuds themselves, as you can see, they are very, very compact. It's equipped with a range of features. You can experience exclusive 4-point noise masking, twin seal ear tips, like I mentioned before, with 3 times stronger passive noise blocking, sound masking, and smart volume control to prevent unwanted noise. And the volume control is inside of the app, which I'll talk about in a little bit. These are also ideal for side sleepers. So these Soundcore Sleep A20 utilize the combined efforts of Soundcore's Air Wing and 3D ergonomic design. This is your Air Wing right here. It's different than a normal earbud. It's hollow on the inside, so it's like more cushion. That's where I think that's where they get the Air Wing name, is like air on the inside of this. Wrapped in ultra soft material as well for added benefit of pressureless comfort, even when sleeping on your side. So like I said, really good for side sleepers. As you can see, this being inside my ear, it doesn't stick out at all. Inside the app, which I'll get into in a little bit, it does track sleep analytics using MEMS sensors. So here's what MEMS stand for. It's micro electromechanical systems. Sensors are miniature devices that combine mechanical and electronic components to measure physical quantities like pressure, temperature, acceleration, and magnetic fields. They're used in many applications, including automotive systems, medical devices, fitness trackers, and electronic devices such as the Soundcore Sleep A20s. And no, these do not have external microphones on here. I wasn't able to find any, or there was none labeled. So if there are, please feel free to check me in the comments. But also, these do use Bluetooth 5.3, just in case if you are wondering. Oh yeah, and lastly, these do have touch surfaces located right here on the earbud, and I will show you exactly how to customize that inside the app. All right, people, so if you're not familiar with any Soundcore products, once you get them, you will have to download the Soundcore app, which I do have right here. And I know what you're thinking. What happened to his hat? What happened to his shirt? I recorded this section already. That got messed up. I don't know how. When I record my screen and the video that I'm shooting right now, the audio didn't sync up, so I have to do this again. Hopefully, I won't have to record this for a third time. It always sucks when you have to record a scene all over again. It's kind of like forgetting to turn your mic on. As you can see, my Soundcore Sleep A20 earbuds are connected to my mobile device. This will show all your devices that you have hooked up to this Soundcore app. Click on that. So inside of here, you'll get a lot of information. I'm just going to touch on about 4 or 5 things that I think are important to this. If I do create a longer form video of just this app, that YouTube card would be right here. I'm thinking about doing that because there's so much information packed into this one app. So the first thing that I want to show you up top is that you have a toggle switch. It says Bluetooth, and if you click on the right side, introduce sleep mode. Got it. So if you click on the right side, it goes into sleep mode. And what sleep mode does, that will give you all your sounds and from your sound library, and it'll automatically play the sound that you customize from your sound library as you sleep. But if you have it in Bluetooth mode, you can go ahead and listen to music, you can listen to a podcast, you can watch movies, whatever you can do with traditional Bluetooth mode earbuds, you can do on here. That's just how it will start off being. And so with that being said, if you do start off in Bluetooth mode and you click on playback settings right here, you have smart switch at the bottom. So it says earbuds automatically enter sleep mode and switch streaming media to sleep sounds after you fall asleep. So what that means is that when you put this in your ears and you have Bluetooth mode turned on, as soon as you fall asleep, this earbuds notice that you fell asleep. They will automatically switch over to sleep mode, and then your whatever sound you have programmed from your sound library, that will start playing. And I've tested that out, and it actually works. It's not some kind of gimmick that Soundcore has just said that they can do. I really like that Soundcore took the time to actually incorporate a smart switch in here. Also, underneath the settings gear icon up top, you can have your default mode, which you wanted to start on Bluetooth mode or sleep mode. I've been normally keep it on sleep mode because when I put this in, I'm going to sleep. If I want to toggle back and forth, I can do that, but I just normally keep it on sleep by default. You also have your controls underneath here. So your controls are self-explanatory. You have a double tap and triple tap, and then you have the same options underneath each tap function. So under double tap, as you can see, it says switch mode, volume up, volume down, next, previous, play, pause, and none. I turn those off because I don't really care for having any button functions on here. When I put these in, I just want to go to sleep, and then when the alarm goes off on these, I just take them out and wake up. And for the tap 3 times, you also have the same thing as well. Switch mode, volume up, volume down, next, previous, play, pause, and then none. Also, what I wanted to show you is that you do have sound effects. So this is your preset EQ in here. So you have Soundcore Signature, bass booster, acoustic, rock, pop, classical, which are your presets. And you also have your custom EQ right here. Inside of your custom EQ, you can go in and adjust the levels exactly how you want them. I'm not messing with that. I normally just keep it on default. I don't really care to listen to any type of music with these earbuds. They're just strictly for sleeping, and I don't need amazing sound when I have the sound from the sound library going. It's good enough. And then you also have your sounds. And so right here, this is where you can create different sounds that you want to fall asleep to or sleep to. So if I click on sounds, that brings up everything that's already here. So you have presets, low frequency masking, mid, high, summer night, forest stream, cozy bedroom. You can see all of those. Soothing rain, space journey, peaceful underwater. And you can also customize. And in the customize, they give you all these different sounds that you can choose from, and you can make your own customized sound. But I'm just going to go with some of these presets. So bedtime, wind down. I'll just do summer night. Transfer that over. And as you can see, it's actually downloading over to my device from the app. So let me go ahead and let this download, and I'll get back to you. Okay, so now that's all done. Got it. So now, as you can see, let me go ahead and edit these, and I'm going to delete these. So those will basically be like your customizable ones up top, the ones I just deleted. And then as you can see, I have my summer night right here. And then also you can adjust the volume level that you want if the sound that's playing currently is too loud or too low. As you can see right there, I normally have it just barely noticeable so that it's not bothering me too much as I sleep. That's just how I like it. Okay, and the last thing I want to show you is the sleep data. So I click on that tab right here. I haven't been using it that much, to be completely honest with you. I've just been falling asleep. I'm not into a routine now, but I did use it a few times. Okay, so let's go to April 17th. So as you can see, I was asleep for 5.5 hours. 14% I was awake. 54% was light, 32% deep sleep. I didn't meet my sleep goal, which was 7 hours, only got 67% of that. And then it just breaks it down: position, back, sleep, roll over 26. Damn, I rolled over 26 times that night. That's crazy. This is exactly the sleep data that it collects. And that's all I wanted to show you inside the app. There's a lot more that this app can do. And like I said earlier, I plan on making a full video about this app. There's a couple of things I forgot to mention. You can use these earbuds independently. So that means having one earbud in the case and having one earbud in your ear. I don't see a need for that, simply because I'm going to sleep when I put these in. So battery life is long enough. I don't see the need to use one at a time. Now for the sound quality. So these Soundcore Sleep A20, they prioritize comfort and noise masking over pure audiophile sound quality. So please keep that in mind. So what you can expect is obviously more focused on sleep. So you have clear mids, dialogue and audiobooks and podcasts will be crisp and easy to understand. You will get a balanced sound and overall smooth soundscape that won't be jarring or disrupt sleep. And when it comes to the bass will be reduced. It's minimized to avoid unwanted rumble during sleeping. So overall, while not ideal for audiophile grade music listening, these Soundcore Sleep A20 earbuds delivers clear audio that prioritizes comfort and promotes relaxation for a good night's sleep. So whether you're a restless sleeper, easily bothered by noise, or simply crave a more calming bedtime routine, these earbuds right here offer a compelling solution. They're focused on comfort, noise masking technology, and customizable soundscapes can help you drift off to sleep faster and wake up feeling more refreshed. So if you're ready to unlock the power of better sleep, these Soundcore Sleep A20 earbuds just might be a dream come true. Get it? Dream come true? I didn't write that part. I didn't write that last part. I promise you, I didn't write that last part. ChatGPT did. So if it was corny, that's not on me. But I did choose to put it in the videos. But that's neither here nor there. Yeah, people, that's all I got for you. That is my full unboxing and first impressions of these Soundcore Sleep A20s. If you're in the market, or if you didn't think you were in the market, but now you think you're in the market and you want something better to help your sleep, to block out noise, if your partner is a snorer, or if you live next to a busy highway or something, You might want to give these a try. Check these out. You will not be disappointed, if I do say so myself. And that's all I got for you people. As always, if you found any value in this video whatsoever, or if this is your first time here and you like what you've seen, go ahead and please smash that subscribe button down below. And don't forget to give this video a like. And then also don't forget to smash that bell icon down below so you get notifications on when I drop my latest tech video. As always, thanks for stopping by the Tech Love channel. My name is Nicholas and I'm out. Peace.